The Send Money tab is one of the most commonly used features in PayPal. If you aren't glued to eBay all day, you'll be using this tab quite often to send payments to buy things, settle personal debts, make micropayments to friends and family, or use PayPal for a variety of other purposes. First of all, you'll need to be signed into the system. Then click on the blue link which says Send Money right here. You'll see three submenu options. The first one is the one that we'll be using to send money using an email address. So I'll go ahead and enter the email address here. Then I'll enter an amount. Then select the currency. There's 24 different options that you can select here. You can select in one of these currencies. In this case, I'll be using US dollars. Then indicate what the purchase is for, goods, services, or eBay items. Then click Continue. In the next page, you want to go ahead and review your payment information. You can add coupons or gift certificates at this point if you happen to have one. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and show you how to change the method of payment. Since we have both a bank account and we have a debit card associated with this PayPal account, I can switch back and forth between them. If I'd like to use the bank account, I'm going to go ahead and switch this because the default is to use the debit card. So I'll click Change. Now in the next screen, I can select e-check or I can switch back to the credit or debit card. In this case, I want to use an electronic check and have the money debited like a virtual check from my bank account. If I have more than one bank account assigned to this account on PayPal, I can go ahead and select which one I'm going to use, and then I can click Continue. Now you'll see here that the method of payment has been switched to my bank account. Now I can scroll down and enter a subject for the email that will be received by the person getting this payment, and then I can enter a personalized message. Once you're done, you can click the button at the bottom that says Send Money. If you expect to be sending multiple payments to the same person, you can now add them to your contact address book. Once you do this, it'll make it a lot easier to send that person payments again in the future. Once you confirm the payment, the recipient will receive an email. And if you're using a PayPal balance transfer or a credit or debit card, the payment will be available immediately to the other person. Then they can log into their PayPal account and use the money right away. With the electronic check that I just sent, there will be a little bit of time to clear that check, so the other person may need to wait a couple of days before the funds become available. In most cases, the process occurs simultaneously because you'll be using your PayPal balance or your credit card.